In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close an LLC with Northwest Registered Agent. Closing an LLC might seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, it can be a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to start by heading to the Northwest Registered Agent homepage. This is where you'll manage all the administrative tasks related to your LLC. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. This will make navigating the site much easier as you proceed. Now, look towards the top right corner of the homepage. You should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is a crucial step because it will lead you to various account options, including those related to your LLC management. Clicking on your profile will present you with several choices, so take a second to glance over them and understand what each option offers. Next, you'll want to locate the Contact Us section. This is typically found within the options that appear after clicking your profile icon. Selecting Contact Us is important because it connects you directly with Northwest Registered Agent's support team. Once there, reach out to their contact support for assistance with closing your LLC. When you contact support, it's helpful to be prepared with any relevant information about your LLC that they might need. This could include your LLC's name, account details, or any specific questions you might have about the closure process. The support team is there to guide you and ensure that everything is handled smoothly, so don't hesitate to ask for clarification if needed. The process of closing an LLC involves some administrative steps and paperwork, which the support team will help you understand. They might provide you with specific forms to fill out or direct you to additional resources on their website. It's crucial to follow their instructions carefully to avoid any delays or complications. While you're engaging with the support team, keep an open line of communication. If there are any follow-up actions required on your part, make sure to complete them promptly. This will help ensure that the closure process is completed efficiently and without unnecessary hassle. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to close your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent effectively. Remember, while the process might seem a bit complex at first, utilizing the resources and support available to you will make it much more manageable. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating the LLC closure process. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to Northwest Registered Agent support at any time.